Find or read reviews that people are talking about Algiebba bed vacuum cleaner. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Next, we are introduced some reasons why you should choose that. Strong suction. The 12,000 to 15,000 PA super strong suction driven by a high-speed 400 watts motor can easily and quickly remove loose dust, fur, hair, dander. UV rear drive heating. 253.7 nanometer UV wave and high rear drive temperature can remove 99.99% of allergens from beds, mattresses, pillows, cribs. Easy to use. The bed cleaner adopts a wired design of 13 feet long and a 0.3-liter dust collector, which can perform longer cleaning times. The overall weight is 2.9 pounds, and the ergonomic handle design can greatly reduce labor intensity. Efficient filtration system. The bed vacuum cleaner adopts the latest HEPA filter element for deep purification, capturing particles as small as 0.3 microns, isolating large particle waste, firmly locking in dust and dirt, and providing fresh and pollution-free exhaust air. Cleaning of dust collection box. Simply use tap water to clean the dust collection box and filter. Note, the filter needs to be dried before use, so we provide 2 filter elements. And other features that video introduce the latest products channel does not recommend. If you want to get full highlight features and / full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. Important, don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.